Jacob, you did a fantastic job on your screencast for Module 5. I was really impressed. You did a beautiful job. It was seamlessly done. And really, I mean, you have captured the five elements that we were looking for in quality screencast so well. You did a wonderful job using that green screen. I'd love to know which effect you used. I didn't know if you did this in iMovie or what you were using, so share that with me when you have a chance. But you also did a great job of positioning yourself, and the lighting was fantastic, and your sound was excellent, very clear, and very calm and easy to follow your instructions. I also found the topic very engaging, and I think that was a great idea to do instructions on how to do this project, because it sounds like it's a pretty big one for your students, this altered landscape project. And as I had mentioned, I just really found it fascinating myself, looking at the, as you walked us through your website in particular. I was like, oh, I really want to see it. I want to look at all of that. And what a fascinating topic. I had never thought about it, and so dystopian, but a really wonderful way for children to explore our human impact on our Earth and really help them sort of internalize it and then express it through art. So really fantastic project. I want to commend you on that. It was also very thoughtfully done. You really walked us through so well all of the different steps that you are going to have the students go through. My only thought was it seemed like it was a little bit overwhelming to hear all of that at once, and especially for younger students. What I would suggest is perhaps maybe chunking it out so each part you talk about separately, or putting little markers in your video so that students could just listen to one part and then come back and know where to listen to for part 2 or part 3 or part 4 of your instructions, just because it seems like it's a lot to get all at once. But then again, having it be in a video, they can always zip back and forth as they need to. But anyways, in regards to just overall, it was super well done. Really appreciated all of your hard work. And I look forward to seeing this completed project, because it sounds like you're doing it in conjunction with 767. So really nicely done. Congratulations, Jacob. And perhaps you'll let me use this as an example for future classes. So let me know if you're okay with that. All right, thank you.